Hello everyone, welcome back on another tutorial on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve the 2x2 using the advanced method Ortega. This will help you get a lot faster than the beginner method. Let's get started. So, when we're dealing with Ortega, we want to solve one face and then solve the other face which is directly opposite of it. We don't have to worry about our corners arrangement. And then once we're done with the two solid colors opposite of each others, we use one algorithm to solve the whole cube. So let's scramble our cube. Scramble it more properly. So as you can see here, my cube is scrambled. And in the inspection time given to me, I want to try my best to find, like for example, orange here, I'm having a bar. So I only have to find two more corners. This will take me less move than the green face where there is no any matching pieces. Hence, I want to find the shortest time to build the easiest face possible. So the first thing I do is that I look for bars like this where we have two colors matching. Again, we don't have to worry about the corners. It could be like that, a matching color, spoiled corners, that doesn't matter. And so when I find my bar, for instance the white face over here, I need to look for my other two corners and then I solve them. You see, I've got my white color face. Now I'm gonna assume that you know how to solve the 2x2 using the beginner method. If you can't, the link is in the description. Go ahead and check it out. And so once I'm done with my bottom face, I don't have to worry about my corner arrangement. It could be anyhow. I'll move on to the top face. And so here we don't want to spend our time using the beginner method again by flipping our cube. We just want to do one algorithm to solve the top face. And so again, I'll be just focusing on the Ortega algorithm, so I won't show you OLL. So if you can solve the top face using one algorithm, the link is also in the description. It's my other tutorial on the Rubik's Cube. In there, I have an OLL tutorial. So once we're done with our top face, this is where the main part of Ortega starts. So I wanna look for a matching corners. If there is not, there is a few cases actually. I'll be showing you them all. So the first case is when you have two bars. For instance, once you've solved your top and bottom face, you realize that you have a bar over here and a bar at the back. So the algorithm to solve this kind of case is this: R2, U prime, B2, U2, R2, U prime, R2. And for this case, the bar doesn't have to be matching. Just now it was red and red. It could be like this. It could be green and red. As long as you have two bars, then you should apply that algorithm. Alright, the next case here is when you have no bars. So you turn your cube, you realize that there is no bars. All you have to do is this: R2, B2, R2. And then you arrange your cube. Right, let's move on. Now our next case is when we only have one bar. So you turn your cube and you see that you only have one bar. And when I say bar, I don't mean it to be vertical. I want it to be horizontal. So when I have one bar, I want to hold that bar on top and I want to do this algorithm: R, U prime, R, F2, R prime, U, R prime. And then I just arrange my cube. Let's move on. Alright, now our next case is when we have a fully solved bottom. However, none are matching on the top. There's no bar on top. So this straight away tells you it's a diagonal swap. And this is the algorithm to do it: F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And again, we just need to arrange our cube. Let's move on. Alright, our last and final case is when we have a fully solved bottom and one bar on top. So that straight away tells you that you have to swap the other two corners. So wherever they are, I hold them on my right hand side and I do this algorithm: R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U2, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And then I just arrange my cube. And here is how we solve the cube using the Ortega method. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and I hope you learned something. And please subscribe and like for more videos. And thank you so much.